inside, don't be shy. Jolene can't wait to meet you for a trailer park Christmas, the trailer park way, with a brand new recipe every day, sending videos from her trailer. Yeah, she's Jolene Sugarbaker. She is Jolene Sugarbaker. Come and spend the holidays the trailer park way. Merry trailer park
Merry
Christmas.
trailer park Christmas.
Merry trailer park Christmas. Hooray!
Well, hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen, and welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen, and welcome to Trailer Park Christmas 2019, where I'm showing you how the Trailer Park celebrates the holiday and wrecking the Trailer Park Test Kitchen with all sorts of recipes and crafts and chats and every day until the 25th. I've got a calendar on my website, trailerparkchristmas.com, that you can follow along. And I see today that it says Easy Soup. And yes, today is going to be an easy soup recipe that you can throw together with some frozen ingredients and some fresh ones too. And you can change it up to your family's liking or just yourself's liking. You can add some spices or maybe some different vegetables because some people don't like that. Today, mine is kind of Italian style, so I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese on it at the end. It's got tomato sauce. It's my Meatball Noodle Soup, and it's so easy to make, and it's up on the stovetop with some frozen meatballs. I'm going to show you how to make it on Trailer Park Christmas 2019. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Making my meatball and noodle soup is really simple, and I've got a stock pot here up on the stove top. And what I'm going to do is put about 28 ounces of prepared beef stock here. Now you could use the actual can. I think that actually makes 28 ounces once you put that together. Now I'm just going to use almost all of this here. And there we go. That's all we need here. Now we're going to add 8 ounces of tomato sauce, and that's in a can, and I've got that pre-measured here just like that, and about a half cup of onion here, and I've got that here. I use frozen so that it doesn't mess up my mascara here, so let's just go ahead and add that there. And today we're using some carrots. If you don't like that, you could probably switch it out with something. You can just chop it up, or you can shave it, or whatever you like. And we are going to bring this up to a simmer, so I'll check back with you in just a moment. Now it's simmering on its way up to boiling, and I've got some spaghetti here that I broken up into about 2-inch pieces, just a little bit, about, I don't know, 2 or 3 ounces worth, and we're going to just dump that into the bowl there, and we're going to store that around just like that. And we are going to simmer this for about 3 minutes to make sure that actual pasta is done. So I'll check back with you in just a moment. Now that that has simmered for a few minutes, we're going to add some zucchini here that I've chopped up. If you don't like this, don't add it. You can add something else. Leave a comment down at the bottom. And we're going to bring it back up to a boil here. And I'm just adding this right on in there. Just a few. Just to add that, and I've also got some frozen meatballs here, and I've just got a few of those too, and we're going to just dump those right on in there, and we are going to simmer these until these are all cooked through, and probably about 8 minutes. So keep your eye on it, keep it simmering, and make sure the pasta's all cooked through, and I'll check back with you in just a moment. Now while it's cooking, you can test it to make sure that it tastes okay. You can add all sorts of spices like garlic powder, salt, pepper, whatever you need into it. You use a chef's taster spoon. Don't be double dipping in the soup if someone else is taking some of the soup. That would be gross there, but be very careful. It'll be really hot here, and you can like that and see. I think that's going to be okay, so I'll check back with you in just a moment. there you have it, my meatball and pasta soup. This will certainly be easy to fix when you're running in the door doing holiday things. And we just used the frozen meatballs and some chopped up carrots and zucchini and some actually spaghetti noodles here and some instant beef broth. And it was so simple to make, and you can really spice it up and add whatever you want to it. And I'm just tired of talking about it, so let me get a little bit of everything. I put some mozzarella cheese on top of it because mine really has some pizza flavors to it, to be honest with you. That is a hearty soup that would be good with some crackers, the tomatoes, and the Italian meatballs that I use added some flavor too. And the carrots and the zucchini are nice and well done. And wow, this is such a great soup. I hope you get a chance to make it. And if you do, send me pictures at jolenesugarbaker@gmail.com. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'm on Facebook. And don't forget to visit my website at trailerparkchristmas.com because I've got a calendar that you can follow along, because I'm doing a video every day until the 25th, and if it would help if it wasn't upside down. And I see tomorrow that I'm doing a little chat here, and I'll be talking about all the recipes and things that I've been doing this week. So leave a few comments down at the bottom what you want me to talk about. And I love spending the holidays with you. I've got a video every day until the 25th. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. I'll see you back tomorrow. Love ya. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for that big tornado. Get all filled with pride in the double